In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem exclusive banners on Clash Royale. Well, I have prepared this special QR codes that will give you the crown fishing banner or the decoration and the jungle shores frame. So first, make sure that you have already logged in your Clash Royale account and your scanner application. Now let's open our scanner and I'll be showing you in the screen the QR code. So just pause it and then scan these QR codes that I'll be showing here. So click to go to website after scanning it, and this will redirect you into your Clash Royale application. And there you will see the claim button here. So just click this. And as you can see, I have received the crown fishing and the jungle shores. If you haven't already gotten the tower skin and emote, you can get them as well as the banners. So just scan this code and receive the great rewards from Clash Royale. And that's it. That's how you can redeem exclusive banners and Clash Royale. And thank you for listening.